Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Pierce team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Pierce LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. So we're out here in North Kansas City. We have completed the rebuild of the two cinder block walls. Here, the first one on the back side of the house, and then yesterday we finished up the rebuild on the front wall. If you go back and look at the earlier videos, you can see how badly damaged this front wall specifically was. You had a large horizontal gap roughly across the middle of this wall, so everything was torn down and rebuilt, and now we are in the process of attaching the wire mesh to the interior face of the cinder block walls. And once this wire is attached, we are going to apply our King Pierce blend of high strength concrete. We're going to coat the walls where we have access from top to bottom and corner to corner. We're going to smooth everything out, really transform the look of this basement. The only wall that we are not going to do any work on is the west side wall here. The homeowners are going to be doing some additional work specifically over here once we are finished with the cinder block repairs. But everything else is going to have the block foundation renovation treatment done to it. Once that mortar is fully dry, we will paint it with white waterproofing paint. And these are, if you've seen any of our videos for stone foundation renovations, this is the exact same thing. We just have to take the extra step with a block wall to first attach the wire here. That is what allows the concrete to properly adhere to the wall. So this is going to be a pretty big transformation, probably middle of next week once everything is ready to be painted. Most of today is just going to be getting the wire in place, and then tomorrow we will likely start with getting the mortar mudded onto the walls. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Pierce LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.